Ladies and gentlemen, we are meeting today with a new video of the Engineering in Amharic YouTube channel series. Orientation Module. Description. Welcome to the online version of the Designing for Greater Efficiency course offered by the International Finance Corporation, IFC, the private sector arm of the World Bank Group. In this course, you will learn about the fundamentals of energy and resource efficiency measures in building design and construction projects. Offering unique content with real-life case studies and examples, this course aims to teach practical skills to deploy resource efficiency in building design. Course details. This course is aimed at senior students and working professionals in the building design industry. To enable flexibility, the course has a 3-month deadline to complete. To successfully complete this course, it is recommended that you have a working knowledge of MS Excel, architectural and engineering drawings, and basic mathematics. On completing this course, you will be able to develop critical thinking skills, quantitative skills, and design approaches. Conceptualize and integrate green features across multiple disciplines and building types. Quantify the impact of design strategies on energy, water, and material consumption using the Edge building software. Define an outline of a compelling business case for sustainable design. Communicate design strategies and choices effectively with clients and other building stakeholders including owners, investors, and other design team members. Demonstrate knowledge of efficiency improvement measures and their relative cost-benefit implications. Learning modules. The table below shows an outline of the course content. Course content learning objectives. Module 1 Green Buildings in Context. Environmental impacts of design. Resource efficiency, energy, water and materials used in buildings. Calculation of resource efficiency metrics using the Edge tool. Explain the need for green buildings. Define green building design. Explain the concepts of resource efficiency. Identify opportunities in different building sectors. Evaluate resource efficiency. Metrics for buildings using the Edge software, including savings and costs. Module 2 Form, Skin and Climate. Fundamentals of climate. Fundamentals of building physics. Passive design strategies to manage heat transfer. Explain the fundamentals of climate control such as basic climate types. Explain the fundamentals of building physics such as heat transfer and heat storage capacity. Explain the impact of orientation, zoning, insulation, and vernacular considerations. Evaluate design strategies for thermal comfort. Conduct a basic sensitivity analysis using the Edge tool. Module 3 Engineering. Architecture. HVAC and controls. Systems for ventilation, cooling, heating, and hot water. Energy efficiency best practices. Case studies. Articulate the concept of energy use in buildings. Articulate the concept of temperature control and climate appropriateness. Demonstrate an understanding of the benefits of natural air ventilation and ceiling fans. Classify various active cooling and ventilation system types and their efficiency characteristics. Classify various heating and hot water system types and their efficiency characteristics. Identify energy-efficient design elements in various building types. Module 4 Lighting and Photovoltaics. Daylighting, efficiency lighting. Systems and controls, renewable technologies, such as photovoltaic panels. Articulate the concept of daylighting. Identify good daylighting and associated heat gain and loss. Articulate the concept of controls such as timers, occupancy sensors, daylight sensors, and photoelectric controls. Identify different solar photovoltaic types and their efficiency. Describe a net zero carbon building. Explain the concept of carbon offsets. Module 5 Water and Materials. Water efficiency, carbon intensity of construction materials, case studies. Articulate a breakdown of water end uses. Understand how fixture efficiency, water recycling, and rainwater harvesting promote water efficiency. Articulate relationships between material elements and embodied energy. Understand how a reduction of quantity, optimization of technology, and using substitute materials with low embodied energy can reduce a building's carbon footprint. Module 6 Making the business case for a project in yourself. Client and developer point of view, costs and payback. Building the business case, financial resources, green careers, design firms and green consulting. Articulate the financial aspects of design decisions and weigh them accordingly. Explain how first costs can be lowered through passive design. Understand how to sell future savings to owner-occupiers such as hotels and hospitals. Understand how to make a value proposition to speculative developers of offices and home. Leverage financing and non-financial incentives. Identify and articulate your own proposition to architecture firms by positioning yourself as a sustainability leader with design firms. Articulate benefits of designing green buildings to a design firm. Demonstrate how to position a firm as a green firm. Module 7 Final Design Exercise. Integrating lessons learned. Making a compelling case for efficiency. Integrate all learning from this course into a project-based final design exercise. Present a business case for the selected package of efficiency measures. Assessment information. To validate the concepts learned and evaluate your knowledge, you will be required to complete a number of assessments during this course. These will be provided as assessment exercises and a final design exercise, which will be graded. Some knowledge checks will be dotted throughout the modules, which will not be graded. A summary of the weighting of the assessment exercises and final design exercise is outlined in the table below. Modules number of exercises weighting. Module 1. Green buildings in context 1-3%. Module 2. Form, skin and climate 5-15%. Module 3. Engineering architecture, HVAC and controls 3-9%. Module 4. Lighting and photovoltaics 3-9%. Module 5. Water and materials 3-9%. Module 6. Making the business case for a project and yourself. 0%. Module 7. Final design exercise 155%. Total, maximum, 16,100%. Passing grade, minimum required, 70%. Assessment exercises modules 1-5 each includes an assessment exercise containing 1-5 questions, which you will be required to complete before moving on to the next module. The results of these assessments will account for 45% of your final grades. Final design exercise. At the end of the course, you will be required to complete a final design exercise which will constitute 55% of your final grade. Through this exercise, you will get an opportunity to demonstrate your understanding of the principles covered in the course by designing a building that meets the guidelines for efficiency. Your exercise will be graded by the IFC Edge team. It is likely that the grading process may take up to 4 weeks to complete. We request your patience to obtain your final results. Once your final exercise has been evaluated, you will receive an email with the final grades. You must receive a total score of 70% overall to pass the course. Certification. Upon successful completion of this course, you will receive a certificate of completion of the Designing for Greater Efficiency course. Additional information. Using the platform. While you can access the IFC course platform on any browser, it is recommended that you use Chrome or Firefox for an optimal experience of the multimedia elements in each module. All modules and activities are accessible across multiple devices, including tablet and mobile phone. This allows you to work on the course material away from your desk with ease. If you wish to have multiple tabs open as you work on the assessment exercises, it is recommended that the desktop version be used. Support. If you have any questions or technical issues, please contact support@edgelearn@ifc.org. You have reached the end of the orientation module. Good luck as you move on to the first module of the course. Close this window to return to your dashboard. Thank you for watching.